All right, let's get you back to radar. We do have those showers and storms moving through the area here. We haven't seen anything severe around the Metroplex, but we have seen large hail and gotten reports of that for those storms out toward north and west up along the Red River. We'll start out in and around the Metroplex for you with the showers out toward Weatherford. You see those pushing up into Wise County right now over towards Sanger, but again, nothing strong or severe in the immediate Metroplex right now. But as we take you up along the Red River, we'll zoom in on that area for Cook County, and you can see around Gainesville, moving on up into portions of Oklahoma. We're looking at that hail threat that will continue. That severe thunderstorm warning goes until 5:30, and then a little farther east, heading over to Grayson County, we still have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect there, 5:45. So you can see that pink shaded area there up along the Red River for that large hail that we could see with this storm as well, maybe quarter plus size with that hail threat in that location. So those are the severe thunderstorm warnings that we have in the immediate area right now. We'll zoom back out and you can see a look across the rest of North Texas, and we're watching out to our west as well, just west of our area, North Texas, west of Breckenridge and Eastland. You see that red box there. That is a tornado warning. So that tornado warning remains in effect in those areas just west of Breckenridge and Eastland County right now. But we are looking at that as it works its way to the north and east. That tornado threat again does remain low, but we'll be keeping an eye on that as well as we go through the morning. Now, we do have that severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect that does include a large part of North Texas, including all of the Metroplex until 8 o'clock here this morning. So we will see the showers and storms with that hail threat. That's going to be the main concerns, along with damaging winds and that lower end tornado threat. It's going to be closer to that warm front that stays down to our south. So here's what it looks like with our timecast as we head toward 9 o'clock this morning. Still going to have some showers and maybe some isolated thunderstorms across the area. Things will begin to settle down, though, as we head toward midday on into the afternoon hours here for today. But again, we're going to be in between rounds of showers and thunderstorms for that drive home later today. So we will see more rain and storms developing late this afternoon, heading into the evening overnight hours. Now, late this afternoon, off into our far eastern counties, still maybe some ongoing showers and thunderstorms. But again, heading into tonight, we'll have that slight risk for severe storms once again with that hail and wind threat continuing in that lower end tornado threat as well. You see that enhanced risk in our far northeastern counties getting out over the Arklatex region for late tonight and early tomorrow. So here we go into the overnight hours. More showers and thunderstorms rolling in during the overnight hours for the morning commute as well. And I think we may have one more cluster of showers and storms mid to late morning that moves through the Metroplex as well. So we'll continue that severe weather threat until about the noontime on tomorrow with the next round of showers and storms. That moves on out during the afternoon for the most part around the Metroplex and most of North Texas. The exception will be our eastern counties as we get into Friday afternoon. This is around 5 p.m. out toward Sulphur Springs, maybe down toward Canton, getting on into East Texas. We'll still see some strong and severe thunderstorms during the afternoon in those areas. But for the most part, we'll have to wait until the next round of storms moves in during the overnight Friday going into Saturday. And still that slight to enhanced risk in our far northeastern counties for the stronger thunderstorms as well. That's going to be 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. on Saturday. So here's what it looks like with the timecast there. Now, this is where we could see some locally heavy rain as well during this time frame with the widespread showers and storms moving in during the overnight hours, perhaps in the morning time on Saturday. This is around 5 a.m. Widespread showers and storms around. So we could be looking at some localized flooding in some places. That continues through about mid to late morning. And then things finally start to move on out as we head toward midday. Still some ongoing showers and storms, mainly off to the south and east. And then that drier, cooler air begins to take over, I think, as we head into Friday evening and Friday night, or Saturday evening and Saturday night across the area. Now, we could see some localized flooding again, 2 to 3 inches in some areas, 3 to 5 maybe in our northeastern counties. So that's where we'll have the heavier rain and maybe that training taking place with the rounds of showers and storms that will continue across the area. Now, as we look at the 14-day forecast, weather alert days again for Thursday, Friday and Saturday across the area. But then as we get into Saturday night, rain and storms start to taper off. It's going to be dry, sunny, cool as we get into Sunday. Those daytime highs might not get out of the 50s. And then as we head into next week, second part of that 14-day forecast looks a little more settled for us as we head into the latter half of next week with those highs getting back into the upper 70s, close to 80. All right, but we do have wet roads out there to deal with and those storms moving through. So let's get over to